Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. Another great idea I forgot to mention. Love this idea. This is for under the stairs. Mind you, got a drywall for code now for fire. And big enough. Definitely get in. Love that idea for the kids. Nice little play area. Switch. Gotta have to have yourself a plastic cover. Could go with that LED puck. I like that idea. Probably do that next time. But I like this plastic cover. Can get a GU24 base bulb that is LED and not just CFL. Compact fluorescents are not my favorite, but that's how they come standard with this. Great closet fixture, not rated for water. Definitely gives a good amount of light too. Definitely like the pucks better. I'll do that next time. So keep that in mind, guys. Little kid area. They did a great job framing this out. I'd like to see that trimmed out. I might be able to. So keep in mind to utilize all that little extra space when you're thinking of ideas